I've watched my video on range in Python programming language, how range function. What we are going to talk about in the video, if you have watched what ranges are, they are going to be a little bit similar. We will have you will tend to understand it more. And what we're going to talk about in the video is what random.randrange does. And this function just tells to generate a number from a particular starting point to a particular ending point. Remember, it's going to be a random, so we don't know what the output is going to be. And how do we implement it? Just random rand range. Because you can see, I have what is called start, and it's an integer. It must be an integer, stop integer, and then step also integer. Initially it's being set to 1. Let's say in the situation we want to generate a number, a random number from 0 to, let's say, 25, for example, and it's going to be, let's say we want to interested in even numbers. When we set 0 here, and then remember 0 is our starting, our end is 25, and our step we're interested in even number. We know that even numbers are 0, 2, 4, 6, so it feels like a 2-step after the previous value that's being gotten out. So what we're expecting here is, let's say in the first time we will run, it's going to print out all the even numbers from 0 to that of 20. Remember I said it's going to be printed out just only a single number. They're expected to do it in the way range. The tend to just print out everything. But remember, what we're dealing with here is random. So it's going to random them and then just generate just a single value from it. So let's run this and we know what we're doing. Let's go here. Come on, get out. So let's come here, print. So what we're expecting are even numbers. It can be of any value. For as far as the ranges will be 0 to 25. You can see here we got 40. Let's run again. I got 24. We got 14 again. Let's run it. We got 16. You can see that every output we are going to get is definitely going to be an even numbers. So let's say in the situation we set this to 3. So let's see what we are going to get. You can see we got 24, we got 3, we got 6, we got 12, we got 18. This is just going to print out after 0 the next 3 numbers. So 1, 2, 3. After 3 the next 3 number, which is 4, 5, 6. So after the next 3 number, which is after 6, we have 7, 8, 9. So it's going to print out it's going to get everything, and then it's going to choose one particular value for us. When it comes to this odd number, there's a kind of mathematical small operation you need to do for it to get a fully odd number, because know that this is still an even number. That's one. There's still kind of formula we are going to make use of to get this odd number, but that just becomes to look at what rand range does. That doesn't really do much, but if you find it of any use, they are good to go. So this is basically what I want to look at in this video.